What if you could earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any crypto without checking the market, reading the news, or staring at charts? What if your crypto portfolio grew while you slept? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using Binance Auto-Invest. Whether you're brand new to crypto or just want a smarter strategy, this is your ultimate guide to building wealth passively. Binance Auto-Invest is a feature that automatically invests your chosen amount of crypto at regular intervals. It's based on a tried-and-true method called dollar-cost averaging, DCA, which spreads out your investments to reduce risk and eliminate the need for market timing. With Auto-Invest, you can schedule purchases daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and choose one or multiple coins. It's designed for long-term holding and is ideal if you want to build wealth consistently over time. Let's break it down. Say you invest $100 every week into Bitcoin, regardless of whether the price is high or low. Some weeks you buy more BTC, other weeks less, but over time, you lower your average cost. This is what dollar-cost averaging does. It reduces volatility and takes emotion out of the game. You don't need to worry about buying the dip. You're buying consistently, letting the market work for you long-term. Now let's set it up together. Step 1. Go to the Binance Earn section. Click on Auto-Invest. Step 2. Choose a coin. Let's start with Bitcoin. Step 3. Pick your frequency. Daily is great for automation, but weekly or bi-weekly works too. Step 4. Set your investment amount. This can be as little as $1 in stablecoins. Step 5. Choose whether to enable flexible savings. This lets your idle funds earn passive interest while they wait to be invested. Click Confirm, and you're done. Your portfolio is now on autopilot. When choosing which crypto to auto-invest in, start with strong fundamentals. Bitcoin BTC, the most secure and widely adopted. Ethereum E, great for smart contracts and DeFi. BNB, Binance's native token with real utility. If you're more advanced, explore options like SOL, Matic, or AI coins, but only after researching. Stick to what you understand. And remember, Auto-Invest is best for long-term plays, not meme coins or pump and dumps. Should you invest daily or monthly? It depends. Daily, smoother DCA curve, better for volatile markets. Weekly, a good middle ground. Monthly, fewer fees if you're on a tight budget. Just be consistent. The amount matters less than the habit. With Binance Portfolio Auto-Invest, you can set percentages across coins. Example, 50% BTC, 30% ETH, 20% BNB. You can even rebalance monthly or quarterly to keep your allocation aligned. This feature is amazing for long-term diversification without needing to micromanage. Don't just chase trending coins. Avoid setting and forgetting without checking in at least quarterly. Here are common mistakes. Starting with too many coins. Using funds you may need short-term. Not reviewing allocations. Auto-Invest is powerful, but only if used responsibly. In a bear market, Auto-Invest accumulates more coins at lower prices, great for long-term wealth building. In a bull market, you're buying at higher prices, but that's okay. The strategy is about time in the market, not timing the market. Stay consistent through all conditions. Want to take it further? Use Auto-Invest with flexible savings. While your USDT or BUSD waits to be used, it earns passive yield, sometimes up to 4% APY. That means you're getting compounding interest even before your crypto is purchased. It's smart, seamless, and builds passive income two ways. Let's look at real numbers. If you invested just $50 a week into BTC from Jan 2020 to Jan 2024, you'd have accumulated thousands despite market crashes. That's the power of discipline. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Auto-Invest helps make that happen. Here's your final checklist to earn crypto while you sleep. Pick solid coins. Use Auto-Invest with a schedule that fits your income. Combine with flexible savings for double impact. Don't panic during market drops. DCA works over time. Review your plan every few months. Binance Auto-Invest isn't just a tool, it's a mindset. Let your money work smarter, not harder. If you found this guide helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below. What coin are you auto-investing in?